Hi YouTubers, Dylan here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw one of my favorite Disney princesses, Fa Mulan. And to do this, in this video, we're going to do something unique. We're going to be using a grayscale marker to make the basic sketch, the guides of the drawing, and then we're going to commit to it. We're going to clean it up with a black Sharpie marker, or any black marker will work. If you don't have a grayscale marker, you can use a pencil, or if you want one of these, you can check out the link in the description for a grayscale marker. So let's draw Mulan. So we start with the top of her head, which is a circle, like most human heads. And then we're going to draw this curve V shape right here for her chin. Creates it like an upside down kind of egg. And her head is more rounder than Ariel's or Pocahontas's. And then we need to put in these guidelines to know where the middle and where the eyes fall. And you can hold your pen this way if you want to, like I do with a pencil. And then, so what we have is the basic head shape, and then we can put in her neck. And then we're going to make sure her ears are just these half circles. Get really messy with it. Don't worry about anything. Keep it very loose. And then we're gonna get like the side of her hair. And get some of the detail in there as well. And her hair's gonna be like flowing a little. And now we should also get her eyes. And her eyelashes. Wait. Just be very loose. Don't worry about anything. And don't forget her nose. And she's got lips, like all the other Disney princesses do. And she's smiling, like most of them do. And her lips are very uniquely shaped. Like a sideways moon at the bottom. Be very messy. And don't forget the insides of her eyes. So now, what we have here is a very nice and loose grayscale drawing, like a basic messy sketch of Mulan. Now, we commit to the drawing with a black marker. I'm using a Sharpie. You can use maybe a Crayola or whatever you think works right for you. But what you want to do with whatever marker you use, you need to carefully go over the stuff that you want to keep in the drawing. We can start with her eyes. I'm moving very carefully over all this. If the marker's dried out, keep other ones intact or purchase one from Amazon. And then we're gonna draw her eyebrows as well. And don't forget her eyebrows. And you can color these in, because her hair is black, and her eyebrows are too. Just like Jasmine's and Pocahontas's. And maybe get her nose. Just move very carefully and take your time. And beef out her chin. And we can indicate her hair in the flock. And her ear. And get this side of her hair too. And I'm getting the sides as well. And we should also indicate her eyes. And make sure you leave some small highlights in her eyes. And the highlights go on the left of her eyes. And then we'll indicate her lips. This is a moon-shaped mouth. And we need to get the sides as well. And then maybe you can fill her hair some, but leave some spot whites around the lines of her hair to like indicate the highlights in her hair. Just put as much black as you can in her hair. And that is Mulan. Make sure you like this video, give it a subscriber number, and we'll see you next time. Bye.